Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a drink I hate called the Dry Palmetto. Because I don't like this drink, and I'm going to be throwing it away afterwards, I'm going to use the smaller proportions. So I'm going to use 1 1/4 ounces of my rum. 1 1/4 ounces is 37.5 milliliters. Next, the vermouth. 1 1/4 ounces of that, which is again 37.5 milliliters. Finally, the bitters. 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Add your ice. And give it a stir. Stirring done, strain into your cocktail glass, or your martini glass if you'd rather. And that's it, Dry Palmetto.